Hello, this is Matt Shanklin reporting for Berkeley High News. Today we were standing outside of Ms. Shaffron's room, who is a teacher for the LINK program. The LINK program helps link all high school students together with students who have different disabilities. Students are placed into different classrooms where they help out the students with disabilities depending on their different needs. Some of these classrooms include life skills, weight training, cooking, and many more.
The LINK program teachers are Ms. Colligan and Ms. Shaffron. They help guide the LINK students, teaching them different skills on how to interact with students who have disabilities. Every Thursday, the LINK students meet with either Ms. Colligan or Ms. Shaffron. During these meetings, students discuss how things have been going in the classroom and talk about ways they could improve.
The LINK program started about 6 or 7 years ago, and it started as a chance for peers to get involved with special education students, either academically or socially. It's really important for kids with disabilities to have some general ed peers that are in their classes with them, there to help them socialize and be a friend to them, as well as helping with schoolwork.
Homework is not included with the LINK program, but students are responsible for writing a journal entry for the topic that is given each week. Sometimes the students are to watch a few video clips and write about what they had watched. Students only help out for an hour a day, as this counts as a class. It looks very good on a transcript and shows a lot of good deeds as the person you are.
With the LINK program, you have the opportunity to go on several field trips throughout the year. This year so far, the students have gone to Park Ridge Creek and are going to Chicago this spring. It is not hard to join the LINK program. All you have to do is to tell your counselor that you want to be a part of the LINK program when signing up for your classes. This is Matt Shanklin reporting for Berkeley High News.